Alright, so I'm Darren Klebo. I'm the State Fire Meteorologist for South Dakota. I work at the South Dakota School of Mines and Technology, and I'm presenting a poster on forecasting thunderstorm outflow boundaries and their implications to wildland firefighting. Basically, the biggest thing that we're looking at is high impact, convectively driven wind events and how those are going to impact wildland firefighting operations. Most notably safety. Safety is definitely the biggest thing that we're concerned with. But we looked at a few of the different case studies, some of the more highly publicized fires over the past couple of years. The White Draw fire in southwestern South Dakota, there was a MAF 7 aircraft that crashed, killing 4 airmen. And then the Granite Mountain Interagency Hot Shot crew that got ran over this last summer in Yarnell Hill. Both of these were caused by convectively driven wind events. And so I kind of took some case studies looking at the White Draw fire and the MAF's aviation crash, and kind of determined it was caused by a microburst, which is consistent with what the Air Force and the International Guard had found. But what can we do as forecasters to try to prevent these kind of accidents in the future? And I think it really goes back to looking at immediate recognition of conducive environments for strong wind events like this. We can look at D-Cape, downdraft Cape, different thermodynamic profiles, and try to understand better the environments, the situation that we get ourselves in. Especially when we look back at Yarnell Hill this last summer. I think all of us as meteorologists kind of recognize it was an environment very conducive to strong outflow boundaries that could potentially overrun firefighters with fire, and that is what happened down there. But I think the forecasters themselves did a good job with the forecast. It's just disseminating the information. It's following your forecast to the field and making sure that all the parties understand exactly what's going on. And I think that's where we need to be as meteorologists in the near future.